While the Chinese government forcibly deports young Uyghurs and Kazakhs to inner China as part of their assimilation and low-wage policies, Chinese university graduates are being lured into East Turkestan with the promise of privileges. The news portal Turkestan Times reported on 106 new Chinese teachers deployed in Merkit, near Kashgar. Because of China's arbitrary human rights abuses, the Washington Institute for Middle East Studies held a conference under the slogan East Turkestan Crisis. There were debated China's policies of oppression, the effects of these, and possible preventive measures for the population. The 81-year-old author Haji Mir Zahid Karimi, who is very well known in East Turkestan, is expected to be in jail for 11 years because of a novel he has written. The author, who has written thousands of articles and historical novels about the millennial culture of the Uyghurs, spent already a quarter in his life in the cells of the communist regime. On the occasion of a day of remembrance, thousands of Palestinians gathered in Gaza. As a result of brutal intervention by the Israeli occupation soldiers, 3 Palestinians lost their lives and 316 were injured. Last Friday, the Algerian people called with a mass demonstration for resignation of President Bouteflika. The protest was visited by about 1 million people. Despite the use of pepper gas and water cannons by the police, the demonstrators did not turn away from the streets.